My name is Robert Brunemeyer, the president and founder of Flightpath. Flightpath is an air charter and aircraft management company. There's two halves of Flightpath. The first half is an aircraft management company. So someone will own a plane or a corporation will own an aircraft, and we will take care of the whole thing for them. From pilots to making sure that the maintenance is scheduled, the plane's in a hangar, it's clean, it's ready to go. We do that so the company or the individual can focus on what they want to do. Go to their business meeting and come back in the same day. They're not taking 3 days to go to New York and back so they can go to their daughter's music recital, because ultimately it's time that people need more of. Everyone needs more time. We take away the worry of owning the aircraft. The benefit of having Flightpath is that you get a whole team to look after your aircraft. Many of our owners, when they're not using the plane, then they trust us to find charter clients to fly on their aircraft. They fly 1 day a week. That leaves a lot of extra days where the plane is sitting on the ground. So why not put that asset to work? We treat all of our clients with personalized service. So each trip, whether they're a regular client that would fly weekly or they're that once in a lifetime trip that they want to take, we want to make every flight for that client special. Our clientele, many of them are friends. We're building relationships with our clients. They don't have to worry about their aircraft. The reliability is there, absolutely. We're staying up late to make sure the client gets to where they need to go. We're waking up early in the morning and making sure that that ground transportation is there. We're making sure that that level of service is there, because we are a transportation company, but we're so much more. The pilots and the flight attendants, they know the client. They will learn the client. Any opportunity to increase the level of service and personalize that trip. We want our employees, and our employees do, pay attention to our clients, figure out ways that we can better serve them, and that's why they come back to Flightpath. To our clients, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for all of your support, your past business. What we've created together at Flightpath is because of you. And without them, we wouldn't be the company that we are. We wouldn't have a company. And I want them to know, if ever there is anything that they need, anything where we could do better, anything that, even if it's not directly related to aviation, but we'll be there for them. We're friends with our clients, and we won't let you down. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.